Hey guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. What a lot of people probably don't know is that I'm also a disease research specialist. In other words, God has given me some abilities to heal certain problems. Some of the problems I've had myself, not extreme as this one, but this gentleman, everybody knows him, who comes here knows him. He's hustling on the street. All of us don't have the best of luck. So no matter what, if we can help somebody, we should help. And he came to me the other day. He came to me a couple of days ago, and he could hardly walk. He was in a lot of freaking pain. Look at his legs. Look at his legs. Okay? Look at his legs. He wanted 60 pesos to buy a pill. And I told him he don't have to buy no pill. I'm going to help him. So I told him what to do. I didn't give him the full remedy.
He did.
Yeah.
He did.
And in a few minutes, I'm going to let you talk to them in a minute. In a few minutes, I told him, just do what I tell him for now, because I'm going to help him. What I'm going to do, I have some stuff I'm going to put together that I buy with my money and give him to help him to bring this down. Now, he was in a lot of pain. What's your name again, guy?
Joey.
Joey. So tell the people what you went through. Tell them the whole thing with your foot.
The thing is that they get inflated because it's varicose. But I
Varicose
never
vein.
knew. Yeah, and I never knew, but somehow they get inflated, and I couldn't
They get
walk without
infected?
pain. Not infected.
They get swollen.
Swollen.
They were swollen. And it got swollen because what happened, this is caused, look at this, it's caused by a blockage. This is a circulation problem in the leg. See guys, this is circulation. So the vein is what carries everything. And because it's blocked, look what's going on. You see? It's a circulation issue here. So go ahead. Tell me.
I'm glad he helped me. He told me what to drink, and the pain they is still big, but at least I had no pain. I can walk.
Now you don't have no pain.
No pain at all.
But before you had a lot of pain.
I couldn't walk.
He couldn't. Oh, people, you hear that, right?
Yeah.
Before he could not walk because he was right in here, and I was going to take the photo, the video, but I couldn't because it was too late at night. And I gave him a little something. I gave him what I have because I don't have. If I
It
have
was a
more-
blessing. He's an angel. Most of the people see you when you have a problem, and they just
they don't
give
help
it.
you.
They don't help you.
They don't think.
But
They
he
think
tried
about themselves.
everything. What he gave me just take the pain away. And I wish if it's a way for me to do something for him to thank him. He's an angel, and you should guys be with him 100%.
I don't know if I'm a name, but I thank you for the compliment.
Mosha, you're the best.
Thank you, brother. So, what's your name again?
Joey.
Hey guys, when you see Joey, help him out, man. Give him something, man. Some of us fall into hard luck, you know. And if you see him on the street, I mean,
I do good. I do good, John. I don't do wrong.
we can't all be good people, all right? Because we are all forgiven without having to do anything. God already forgave us for everything we did wrong. So we can't judge no one in this earth. So if you see somebody like him, what can he do? He can't help himself. Nobody gonna give him a job. You understand? He run into hard luck, we make mistakes. And now he had this medical problem. But he had this medical problem before, a long time ago. Now it's getting worse. So I told him what to do, told him what to eat. So you gotta listen to me.
I'm doing it.
Good. So now he don't have no pain. And listen to me, I'm gonna tell you something. I want you to drink a lot of water
Baking soda.
with the baking soda.
I'm doing it.
Drink a lot of water
I'm just eating right now. I haven't eaten. I
Only
just eat baking soda and cucumber.
and the cucumber. Perfect for now. I'm gonna prepare a program for you. And
Food is anything you put in your body.
Thank you. Thank you.
The stomach doesn't have ice.
But you have to be careful which types of food you put in your body. Because what is going on here is because there's a lot of blockage. Everybody have that. Because also high blood pressure is caused by that also.
Yeah,
It's
it's
blockage
they
in the
get
body.
blocked, so you have
Yeah, so you block it. So now you have to learn to eat correctly. You understand me? And now God is going to give you some of his understanding. Because now that he put you through this, you are going to see when you start to go back to his law, which is the natural plant.
I believe in God 100%.
There you go.
And I believe in you too.
I trust you though, man. But listen, I want you to be good. But I promise you something. If you follow what I tell you,
I'm doing it.
you keep doing it, this is going to go away.
Maybe the blessing of the Lord heal you. That's what I want.
Thank you. And I want you to stop smoking, right?
Yeah, Yeah, I just have one today, and I
Okay,
put it
good.
out when I saw you.
Little by little. So tell the people your name again.
Joey.
His name is Joey, and he helps people. He speaks perfect English.
Yeah, I know 5 languages. I can help
He
anybody.
speaks 5 languages. So I'm putting you on my channel, so you have to be nice, good to the people. Okay?
I'm always be nice.
Be good, and if you help them sincerely, they will help you.
And God will see me.
Thank you, yeah. So Joey, thank you, and I'm happy I was able to help Joey, guys. I was able to help Joey. It's not complete, but he's not in any pain. Before he had a big ass bump.
Yeah.
This thing was bigger. Was so big. Okay? And now he's okay. He had to buy, they was giving him a pill, right? And now all that shit. Joey, take care of yourself. God bless you, brother.
I'm gonna just take 1 pill and go home.
That's right. All right. Thank you. Guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. Okay? When you come to the DR, you can find me at right in front of, like, let me see where. Okay, up there is where the metro station is. So you can take a metro bus when you get off the plane from Santo Domingo, Santiago, and you come down the block. You come down the strip and you cross over Pedro Pisante, and I'm right there. All right? I'm remodeling the place a little bit because I'm gonna start doing some new stuff over here. And this is what I do. I help people that I can. I wish I had some money to really help the way I want to help. You know? So yeah. All right, guys. How you doing? So yeah. So if you see Joey on the street, you know, help him out. He needs help. Because guys, remember this. We can't take anything with us when we go. Just remember that. And you know, life changes once people get sick. All of a sudden, nothing matters. Nothing is important anymore. All the money you have, it's now you got to think about getting better. And it's not a good feeling. I've been there. And when that thing hits you, trust me, it's not good. And there's nothing you can take with you but your character. So build your character. A lot of people are selfish. They're so selfish. They have money. When I say have money, they're not rich, but they can help others and they don't do it. You understand? They keep it for themselves. I know a lot of guys, you know, and I even tell guys, I say, look, I try to help a lot of people, and if you see somebody that I put out there and you can help, pass by my place. If you give me 100 pesos, I help them, you know. But people don't care. Nobody cares. Nobody gives a hoot. You know, they think about themselves. I also know people who are sick. People have high blood pressure, diabetes, whatever, and I can also help those people. And I say, give me a contribution. They don't want to do it until they really. But you know what? A lot of times we don't really seek help until we're laying on our backs and looking at the ceiling. But this is Mosha again, coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. God bless. Peace out. Like, subscribe, and share the video.